Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 2 elements, compounds and mixtures. So in previous video, we already discussed the properties of non-metals and metalloids as well as we learned symbols of elements and compounds. Here in this video, we are going to discuss what is mixtures, characteristics of mixture, types of mixtures and then difference between mixtures and compounds. Let us learn what is mixture. A mixture is a substance which consists of two or more elements or compounds not chemically combined. So, a mixture consists of elements or compounds, but those elements and compounds not chemically combined. They just mixed together, they are not chemically combined. So, we call them as a mixture. Example air, sugar solution, ink, we are eating fruit salad, vegetable salad, so that as well as petrol, juices, and normal snack mixture. So these are all example for mixtures. So they are not chemically combined. Next, characteristics of mixture. So mixture can be separated by into its constituents by physical process. So this is the first character of mixture. So they can be separated by a simple physical methods as well as they show all the properties of constituents present in it. So if you take a mixture or if you take a salad, it shows all the properties of that particular fruit. So example, you can take a fruit salad. So in that fruit salad you can find apple, pineapple, grapes, papaya, orange, etc. So you can find the particular taste of, if you're taking the apple piece, you are eating, you can able to taste that apple. So that apple piece gives you apple taste. If you are taking orange, that orange piece gives you orange taste. So like that, it shows the all the properties of constituents present in it. As well as the mixture can be in any proportion, it does not have fixed ratio, so it can be in any proportion. So these are the characteristics of mixture. As well as it has furthermore characteristics. So this the next character, it does not have definite melting and boiling point. So example, you can take salt solution. You can prepare different amount of salt by adding into the water. So that shows that particular solution have different boiling point. If you are adding more sugar, more salt, or that solution have different boiling points. So depending upon the amount of salt or sugar you are adding, so that the point also differ. So in general, mixtures does not have definite melting and boiling point because we are adding the substance in any proportion, so it shouldn't have proper melting or boiling point. So this is the example of some substances like hydrogen, nitrogen, ammonia, octane, water, acetic acid, table salt, gold. So these are all pure substance elements and compounds. So they are having particular melting and boiling point. But impure substance like mixtures, they does not have particular melting and boiling point because they are not in a fixed ratio, not chemically combined. So they does not have proper melting and boiling point. Next, this mixture is classified into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So you can see the tea and salad. You can able to find a layer of tea? No, we cannot find any layer in the tea because it has uniform composition. But you can find a difference in that salad. So you can find corn separately, cucumber separately, as well as the small tomatoes separately. So we can able to we can able to see the difference and amount of the substance present in it. So that is heterogeneous. So here is the difference between both mixture. So in homogeneous, the components are completely distributed, that is uniformly spread out. But in heterogeneous mixture, they are partially mixed, that is they are not uniformly distributed. Next, in homogeneous, they are mixed evenly because so that they are having uniform composition. So we already seen tea, as well as we all know coffee, milk, juices. So these are all comes under homogeneous mixture. But in heterogeneous mixture, they are unevenly mixed, so they does not have uniform composition. So you can take an example by adding pebbles in water. So you can find out where is pebble, where the water belongs. So we can classify them because they are unevenly mixed. As well as in homogeneous, the components are not visible, that is, they cannot be seen. But in heterogeneous, we can able to see the particles, that is, we can able to see the components that mixed in that mixture. So example for homogeneous sugar solution, tea, air, and in heterogeneous we are eating that snack mixture, salad, sand and water mixture, sand and sugar mixture, salt and sand mixture. So we can able to find the layers between these mixtures. So this is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture differences. Then we have to know what is the difference between mixture and compounds, because you should be clear in that. So first learn what is mixture. It consists of elements and compounds, but they're not chemically combined. But in compounds, only the elements are combined by the chemical process. So they are chemically combined, as well as they have fixed proportion. For mixtures, we can see the example like air, because air contains various gases, dust, smoke, but it looks like same. It looks homogeneous. As well as we can separate them. We can separate oxygen, we can separate nitrogen from that. But compounds we cannot separate them. You can take water as an example. So in water, hydrogen and oxygen is present, but you can't separate that hydrogen and oxygen because they are chemically combined, as well as they are combined in a fixed proportion. So we can't separate them. That is the third point. So mixtures, it can be separated by simple methods, but compounds we cannot separate them by simple physical methods. In mixtures, it does not have fixed composition, but in compounds they have fixed composition. In mixtures, it does not have fixed melting and boiling point. In compounds, they have fixed melting and boiling point because they have fixed composition. For example, if you are taking water molecule, there is two hydrogen and one oxygen. That is 2:1 ratio. They are combined. So we can say that it is combined in a fixed composition, as well as they are having fixed melting and boiling point. Thank you, students.